Uganda's attempt at importing its own petroleum products is getting closer, but finds a country desperate for lower fuel prices, a situation businesses have endured for years. The energy minister says fast fuel stocks will arrive soon this year, pending critical infrastructure.
First of all, we got the certificate this month almost, and it was late for the products of April to come through the UNOC arrangement. Even with May, we couldn't do that. So we shall now place order for June, beginning from May. And when you get the permit, there are other things that you have to do. For example, the vessel scheduling. How is the business going to move? How are we going to share the vessels? Because the volumes that come to Uganda are not that big. So Uganda has to again work with Kenya on transportation.
Prices for major distributors have since shot up to 5,400 shillings. Post-pandemic levels, new taxes could make the products even more expensive in an already stressed business environment.
Now that UNOC will be the one importing, what are the benefits? Are we going to see prices coming down? So UNOC has to make sure that working with their supplier partner, at least the prices of the pump prices go down. That's a task.
A new board at the country's oil company has been sworn in today. It will be led by a former bank executive. He faces the task to bring the minister's pledge to life.
As chairman, I pledge to steer the board to implement good corporate governance and risk management practices to guide our strategic decision making, in addition to putting in place the right performance management. Through this, the board will ensure that the company continues to operate efficiently and effectively, safeguarding the interest of all our stakeholders.
UNOC commenced bulk trading of petroleum products in March 2020, and so far we've raised a couple of billion shillings as an income to UNOC. And in November 2023, Parliament passed the Petroleum Supply Amendment Act of 2023, which gave UNOC exclusivity to import and supply all petroleum products destined for the Ugandan market. This is a big opportunity. How we manage it will really determine the future of what UNOC will be counted for.
It is hoped that by June 2024, when the first UNOC imports begin, Ugandans will for the first time smile to the pump and hope that this new development will ease the cost of living. Malcolm Musime, NTV Tonight, Business.